Take a step behind the line. We'll start in 3, 2, 1, go.
And 1676 was able to score a Q. Will number 39 be able to balance? The next round. Starting in tally-off mode, 5407 is trying to move around. 1676 was able to get a cone. 1640 was able to get a cone. 1504 able to get a cone. Able to score in the highest node to create a link. 2539 was able to score a Q. 1504 was trying to score a Q. 2539 was able to score yet another Q. 1676 trying to get a Q. 5401 was able to get a Q. 1640 was able to get a cone. They were able to score another lane. What do you get to? And they did! 1676 got another cone. Let's see. 2539 got a cone. Let's see. They did it. 5401 got a cone. 1640 got back in a single substation. 2539 he got another cone. Will they create a link? They will. 1640 is trying to create unbounded and they managed to pull it off. 2539 trying all the cones in the game. Creating another link. 1640 grabbed a cube. Hopefully they'll be able to put it in the second station or the low station. They will put it in the second station. Good on them. 5401 got another cone. And we're in the final stretch. Let's see if the Alliances will make a bounce onto the charge station. 5401 is trying to manage it. Let's see if they can do it. 5407 was able to put themselves on the charge station. Let's see if they're able to engage. 1640 is trying to see if they're going to get up the charge station. Let's see if they can engage. 9981 is going to try to get on the charge station. Let's see if they'll be able to engage it. They are. Let's see what the team knows with it. Let's see what they can do.